Mic without mic.
So after the offering of the Anukut, Giriraj Govardhan Maharaj enjoyed the offering of the all of the Brajavasis.
All returned to their homes. All returned.
All returned to their
with
homes.
Krishna.
With Krishna.
Very happy.
Yes.
And Krishna told them, "Oh, have you seen an Indra even? Never you have seen, but you saw Govardhan."
So then, Lord Indra, he was observing all of this, and actually he became very disturbed and very upset that he was not being given these sacrificial offerings. So he decided that he was going to retaliate against the Brajvasis. And Indra ordered his very powerful cloud, the Samvartaka cloud, to come, which is generally used at the time of devastation.
What he thought. When he became angry, what he told?
Kill the cows and the Brahmins, all the residents of Vrindavan.
You remember? You?
Mahabharata.
You don't remember what Indra told to Krishna? I will see this boy.
Teach him a lesson.
तुम जानता है क्या सब करता है सर नहीं समझ में महाभारत where is Mahabharata?
Practicing for a play.
What Indra told? Oh, this wicked boy, he is quite ignorant, and following his words, all gops and gopis have become bewildered. I will punish them with this boy. I will do so much things that anyone in Brajavasi, they will not be saved. So I am telling like this, and he ordered all
These Samvartaka clouds.
Samvartaks that you should rain, you should what?
Pour water and inundate Vrindavan.
So that there should be no any sign of Brajavasis here. No sign. Govardhan should also be smashed into pieces. And this boy should be punished so much, and all Brajavasi should put to death. So much water should come there that everywhere only flood, nothing else. And then
this Samvartaka cloud began to rain down, pouring massive amounts of rain water, like oceans of water, down on Giriraj Govardhan and on all the Brajvasis. And also lightning and thunderbolts.
what was the season at that time? Kartik month.
Sharat.
At that time very cool in India. So cool Ritu.
Season. Cold season.
And first began so much air, wind with water, and so much cold. And then all began to
Then the Brajvasis began to approach Krishna.
there was no place to set them. Their houses were ruined, everything smashed to pieces. Rainwater so heavy
Columns.
and like pillars,
Like pillars.
Cats and dogs.
like the eggs of elephants. And so many thunderbolts. And all Brajvasis, what have been done. Only by this innocent boy he told, and we followed. Nanda Baba followed, and we followed. Upananda told. So we will have to test the result.
They blamed,
That,
they blamed Nand Baba and Krishna.
yes, that we have done blunder. Now where to go, what to do? But there was so much water they cannot move here and there. And they quickly went to Krishna. If you have done like this, we have only obeyed. Then you should tell Govardhan Giriraj that he should save us now. Oh, quickly Krishna answered. You should bring your all utensils, everything on bullock carts. Bullock carts should come. With all your cows, all your children, gopi, every, old persons also. And quickly they come, and quickly, in a second, anyone could not see that how fastly Krishna took us on his finger. There became a very deep, very deep pit. Govardhan was 7 miles high and 7 miles also
Wide.
deep, and
14 miles
14 miles
long.
very high. So when he took, that became a very big, like pit. But no water there. If anyone dig only 14-15 yards down, water may come. But when he took Govardhan, very easily, like a lotus flower like this, nothing. And he called all Brajavasi, all cows. Especially Krishna was at the age of 7. So gopis were not married. All gopis, Vrishabhanandani, Radha, Lalite, Vishakha, Chitra, Champaklata, Tung, Vidya, Indu, Lekhe, and all came. And Krishna was taking this. All gopis. The friends became so worried. How Krishna alone can bear the weight of Giriraj Govardhan? They quickly took their dandas, sticks.
To help.
Oh, don't worry, my Kanhaiya.
We will help you.
Oh, you should take rest, we are taking. But Radhike and all other gopis were so much worried. They gave their side under Govardhan. Govardhan, we will punish you. And you should be on our eyes
Glands. Side glands.
Don't have any weight on Krishna. So who was lifting that Giriraj Govardhan? Actually, not Krishna. How? Power always becomes in
Left side.
So left hand. And in left side, this, that is not Krishna. If he has taken Giriraj Govardhan in right, then we should understand that Krishna has lifted Giriraj Govardhan. But Krishna never. To show this, he did. And Srimati Radhika. Power is Radhika. Krishna is not power. So Krishna is manifested with power. He has all powers. So he thought like that. At once Srimati Radhika took Govardhan. First Srimati Radhika, what is Govardhan? Whole world, lakhs and lakhs world. On his wish she can take. So this is the majestic power of Srimati Radhika. Without Radhika's power, Krishna is like zero. Nothing, like Nirvishesha Brahma. Nothing to do pranam. Who will do pranam? Anyone is not there. Nothing to pranam. So Radhika lifted it. They were first chance. They came together in front of Krishna. This was the main reason that Krishna lifted, that all Govardhan Vasi gops will not tell anything to their daughters. And they will quickly come to me, and for 7 days we will together. That is why. So first time all the gopis, and a little Kishori gopi, not Kishori at that time, at the age of 6, half, 5, like this all. Lalita was only at the age of Krishna, and all were somewhat late.
Younger.
And all 7 days, Indra began to throw
Hail.
so much thunderbolts, and he wanted to smash Giriraj Govardhan into pieces. But it has been told in prayer, what?
Saprishta hastam bhujasa.
Saprishta hastam bhujasau kamarje sukhanubhote rati bhumi vritte mahendra vajra hatimapyajanan govardhano me dishatam abhishtam, or govardhano me dishatam abhishtam, govardhano me dishatam abhishtam, govardhano me dishatam abhishtam. Telling, praying that, O Giriraj Govardhan, when Krishna lifted you on your finger, you become so happy. You are realizing so much happiness that even Indra was throwing his thunderbolts so much. But what he was thinking? Like that, very happy.
Itching.
Like itching. Nothing like that.
Saprishta
Jatraiva Krishna Vishabhanuputra Danam Grihitum Kalaham Vite Sute Spihajatra Mahattatahasi Govardhano me
disatam abhishtam.
Krishna sometimes used to block their ways. Where? In Dan Ghati. And quarrels between gopis and Krishna. Krishna wanted that you should give some tax here. And they used to tell that, why tax? This place is mine. Then gopis, and especially Lalita, used to tell, is this property of your father or grandfather or great-grandfather? From where you collected? So this is not your property. This is my property. How this is your property? Because this all property is of Vrindavan and she is my wife. They began to clap that you are so liar and cheater. Vrinda cannot marry you because you are black. In Braja, any girl does not want or any parents to give you marriage their daughters. So now you are thinking that all girls are my wife. So Vrinda, you think that he is your wife. We are calling just now. They called Vrinda. In front of Krishna and all gopis were there. They asked Vrinda, have you married this black person? Black boy? No, I don't know him. Who is he?
I never said.
Never. I cannot do a mistake like this. She is like, she wants that, tells that all are my wives here. But no one wants to marry her. So I am not his wife. Then they began to clap. But Krishna was
so clever.
Tricky and clever. No. Really, she is my wife. And this is my property, you will have to give. Then they gave something, little
Taxes.
curd, makhan and everything to Krishna. One day, like this, Krishna used to do daily like this, we should give a lesson to him. One day they caught all Lalita Vishakha. First they catch hold of Madhumangal, and this sticky was tightened in the trees, branches, and they began to do
Punching.
Punching and pinching.
All were so much afraid. They told that you should promise that never we will do like that. Madhumangal told that I am promising I will never, I will have no friendship with that black person. And thus all the gopis took Krishna and forcibly they
Put his lehenga,
put a lahanga to Krishna and chundari from out this ear. And his cuts hairs were so they do like choti, and gave here sandur, and like a lady, and they gave some vessels of pots of
yogurt,
yogurt. And Lalita gave him.
throw a stone,
And Krishna was covered, took bath with
yogurt.
and all gopis were clapping. Will you do again like this? Krishna said, I will not do. Then you should beg pardon in the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Then Krishna did, oh Radhika, you should forgive me. So this is in Govardhan. Govardhan is Sakhi,
Evidence.
evidence.
Witness.
So Govardhan should be pleased to us. That we can realize this very sweet pastimes of Gopi, Gavi, Gobas and everything. I think Govardhan will hear our praying and he will sprinkle his mercy. After 7 days, Indra saw that go anyone and see that are there anyone saved from this?
Alive or die?
He went there and saw what elephant?
Oiravat.
Airavat came. And he saw that, all are saved.
Not a single leaf also dropped from
Even a leaf of tree has been dropped from his tree branches. And he went to Indra and told that, oh, brother, all are so happy. No, anything is not damaged. Then he thought that, who is he? Actually, he is Parabrahma, our Lord. Then he knew that, oh, he is certainly our Lord. That he went to Surabhi. We have done puja to that Surabhi, the mother of all cows. Where? Not on Golok Vrindavan. Some manifestation of that Surabhi in this world, in Golok.
Like
One Golok there, one Lok here. Like one Vrindavan here, like Vrindavan there. And they, Indra began to apologize and tell that, oh mother, save me. Otherwise Krishna will ruin us. You should come with me and Krishna ko prasanna karo.
Please, Krishna.
Please Krishna. Then she came and water from Ganges, water from there, so much milk and ghee and everything, what we did Abhishek here. She came and she came to Krishna. Oh Krishna, oh Indra is my life son. So you should forgive. For sake of, to please Surabhi, Krishna, somewhat not wanting but even he forgave Indra. And Indra kept Krishna name Govinda. Govinda Deva ki Jai. I am not Govinda. I am not Govardhan. I have no connection with these cows. I have false ego that I am Lord of all. But actually, Giriraj Govardhan, Krishna is, Gopal is everything. He is Supreme Personality of Godhead. So he is Govinda. He supports and nourishes all Gop, Gopi, Gabi, Govatsa and all Gopi Mandal, Golok. I am not anything. And after that, they return to their places. Gaur Brahma.
महाराज इस सुदर्शन चक्र ऊपर नहीं आता चकलेश्वर महादेव की जो कथा में आता है
It may be that Indra began
Shivji.
Shankar
Prayed to
prayed to Chakra that you should save, otherwise all gopi and everything will be finished. So Chakra came, and seeing Chakra on the 7th day, on the moment, Indra quickly ran away from there. And Chakra, then he may be that Narayan or more than that.
Drama.
Yes.
Drama
Drama is ready?
What is the time now?
7 o'clock.
Then 7. Then drama should be done. And from today again, I may speak on Srimad Bhagavatam. I wanted to do more.
This was very good.
But anyhow, it was so good. If anyone has come here, joined this, and he has participated anyway, Giriraj Govardhan will be so merciful to sprinkle the jugal love and affection to them.
Tomorrow in the temple.
Then any kirtan, Namami Nandanandanam, and you should try to. Matukiya?
Meena
Meena, where is Meena?
Meena has
Where is Meena?
Electoral debo? Electoral debo?
Where is Meena? Come on here.
Manu, sit back. Yeah.
Can you sing? No? That should give.
This is the new Panchatakra they have also.
Oh, really?
Okay.
Penny? This is Penny?
Maharaj is here.
You should play, Rohan. You should play out. No, why? Very good. You should play.
Will you play with us?
Yeah.
Will you play with us today?
You should play. At the time of kirtan like that, I want. You used to do in that temple. I remember in temple, last year or 96, I went, and so many girls in a line at the time of kirtan, doing very good. You are first person to come first.
I don't have it anymore.
Why you got that?
No, you have it right there.
Then someone else came there. After my class, after taking Vishram, at least after
And tomorrow you can meet?
first you will be
Tomorrow?
person to me.
Manana.
When? Manana? Tomorrow?
Yes.
Yes.
About 10?
Shortly. After about 9, yeah, 10.
Between 9:30 to 10?
You should give the first person to come to me. Then anyone has chance. Oh, what's that? Why?
Daughter? Yes, girl. This one is Sita. This one is Sati.
Is that twins?
Yes, twins. 1 year. Sita, and let's get Sati too. Next time.
Jayo Jayo Radha Krishna Jugala Mela. Jayo Jayo Radha Krishna Jugala Mela.
ज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। वञ्चाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्याय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्यनाम्ने गौरत्पिषे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालयै कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो। यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर्या जुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तर्वोऽभिनेदु तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि। तवैवास्मि न जीवामि तया विना इति विज्ञाय राधे तं न माम चरणं। इटाई ने बोलीटा था आज के बोला था बस बस भागवतम এটা সাপ আছে। When Sukta Goswami told how Krishna is so merciful that even Putana, he tried to give poison to Krishna and to finish Krishna, always taking the blood and flesh of newborn childs. But he came in the shape of a mother and told Krishna one time, "Oh my dear son." And quickly Krishna gave him a mother-like gati,
Motherly destination.
in Golok. And when he told after that Sakatasur and Trinavartasur, that Krishna wanted to fly in air like birds, and Jogmaya called Trinavart demon, and quickly Krishna took like this, and he walked so much in air, fly
so much.
Flew in the air.
and at once he told that why you are giving this Rasgulla to and why you are dying? I am playing only with you. I wanted to play. And gave him so liberation from world. In world, we'll have to face one day old days will come. World days surely will come, and you will not be beautiful as you are today. No, not beautiful. And only you will have to give up this body, and it will be rotten. It will turn to so many insects like, and dog will
Feast,
Quarrel for the body, that this body is mine, and he will tell, I will eat. They will quarrel. So, we should remember all these things. And Krishna gave quickly him liberation from this world suffering and sorrow forever. So we should try to do bhajan. Hearing these sweet pastimes of Krishna, he told that I want to hear more. I don't want to drink water or anything. I am so much satisfied with your sweet, these classes, Krishna pastimes. So please continue. I don't have sleep, and I see that you don't want to sleep. Day and night they are doing so. So he began to tell that now Krishna began to
Turn his side.
And sometimes now he began to move on his this
Crawling.
like this.
He's crawling now.
Huh?
He's crawling now.
Crawling now. Sometimes very quickly. And when he used to reach at the door, entrance gate, and saw anyone going, bullocks or anything, very quickly, like frightened boy, he used to quickly turn and doing like this and to mother and to jump in the lap of her mother. Now they are becoming more chanchal, restless now. It is very hard to make them in their houses. They could not control. Sometimes Mother Yashoda used to control both boys, and Rohini Devi
used to cook,
making preparation or doing homeworks. And sometimes Rohini Maiya used to control them, but it was very hard for Rohini Maiya to control them. Very hard. Yashoda Maiya was so much powerful. She can control, but it was very hard. But now they became more restless. Sometimes Jarhyang adarshaniya kumara leela brajvantam braje tadabala pragrihita puchhai vaiseritas tata ubhaya krishnamano prekshant ujjat griha jajahosh hasantya. Sometimes Krishna, in a moment, both, if they are talking each other or anything doing, and in a moment Krishna, what doing? Who was playing, not walking, but some calf came there, very beautiful, like swan, very beautiful and very healthy. And Krishna and Baldev, one of the Krishna sometimes took the tail of that and very tightly. And when he touched the tail of that calf, and he jumped up and began to run. But Krishna now don't know how to
let go.
Give up.
Let go.
And she is waiting. And
dragging.
Where dragging? Where there are cow dungs and cow urines, and his whole body is going on there. And Krishna is weeping so much, how he can give up? But he has no any trick to give up. He can control whom? Ishvara, all Ishvara. Ishvara, Paramaha Krishna, Satchidananda Vigraha, Anadiradi Govinda, Sarva Karanka. He can control even Ram, Nisingh, Vaman, Kalki, all. He can control death, birth, everything. Ganesh, Shankar, all. They worship their feeders. They cannot get they cannot take the darshan of this boy. And he cannot, he does not understand how to give up this tail of
Cup.
no? How to do this. He is forgetting. How? He is playing a drama? Never. With Yog Maya. He wished like so. So, Yog Maya has taken his intelligence and everything. And he cannot. And then Hasanta, Mother Jashoda, Mother Rohini are seeing and doing, oh, you should learn a lesson.
Very good, very good.
We told you not to do so, but even doing. So you should go all like that. And he was, oh mother, 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 he was. And after that, Jashoda Maya and Rohini quickly run and catch hold of that calf, and he had tightly grip. See, anyhow they did it. Sometimes Krishna and Baldev naked. Only he has peacock feather here and here, golden
Waist ankle.
Chain.
When he was doing so, from where this coming?
Sound.
Sound. So,
Ankle belt.
seeing here and there.
Waist belt.
He does not know that this twinkling words is coming from him. And he was, oh, from where it is coming? Sometimes a bull was there, nearer to door. And Krishna went and Baldev Prabhu, he took one of the horn and he took others. It was very dangerous, very big. Horns also so big. And they were playing with them. And the bull was almost all controlled by them. He was like playing with them. And Mother Jashoda, what they are doing? And he began to call Nanda Baba, his husband. Oh, how? You should try to set them, otherwise they will be put to death. But once he saw that a very big snake was there. And they were playing with their hooks. And he was not biting. Anyone has no dare to come nearer. And they were, especially Baldev, doing like this and doing this.
Like a toy.
Shankarsanaj perhaps there. And they began to request Narayan, oh Narayan, 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 Narayan.
Save them.
Save them. And when the snake saw that all are so much worried, at once quickly he went anywhere else. Sometimes Sringaya, Agni, Danshri, Dvija, Kantakebhyaha. Kantakebhya means thorns. All Braj were surrounded not by brick wall or golden wall like around Lanka, by which it was surrounded. Only thorns everywhere. And by bullock carts there were prachi
Wall. Boundary wall.
not wall this. Or everywhere around Braja. So there was a heap of, so big heap of
Thorn.
Thorny plant.
and on that any creeper, Madhvi Lata or any Lata creeper, so many beautiful flowers were there. And Krishna and Baldev saw at once, and quickly they wanted to
Flowers. Pick up
take
flowers.
flowers. But it was so heap of thorns. Anyhow, doing like so, Krishna made a way and he entered. Baldev took any stick and he did like so and he came under Krishna. But Baldev Prabhu kept it and it went down, so way was blocked. And Krishna there, mother, but mother was there and she saw, what is going to do? What should I do? Quickly running. And he told that I will not take you, you should be there. My restless boy, you should be there. And he began to also weep, and Baladev Prabhu was inside, but he was also weeping for Krishna, both are weeping. So anyhow they took them from
This thorn bush.
and told that you should never go there. Sometime, one day, the birthday was there. And Yasodama wanted to worship any calf. So anyhow, she told that, bring that calf. Now Krishna and Baldev are standing on their feet and running here, there, here. So anyhow they both saw that a very good calf was there, newly born, age about 5 months or like so. But he was so strong. They wanted to push, but they did not want to come. So there was a struggle. Krishna wanted to push and they did fits like that they will not come. Anyhow Krishna dragging, anyhow both, one like doing so and one pushing, they brought in the courtyard of Yashoda. But when they were bringing them in the courtyard, Krishna saw that anything in hanging from ceiling. And he thought that, very beautiful sweet butter is there. How to take it? So he thought that if I will use this like udukal you know?
Grinding motor.
Grind motor. He quickly wanted to keep his feet there on the back and wanted to take it.
Of the cow.
But as soon as he wanted to do like this, and the calf ran away from there and jumped up. And he has taken, and he was hanging, oh mother. And he had no way to come. So he was crying bitterly, mother. And Yashoda Maiya came.
Caught him red-handed.
I will not, you should be hanged all this time. And doing like
I
this.
should touch you.
And after that he took it and kept. Narad was seeing. And he was telling, Yashoda Maiya, you are so much lucky. So much lucky. The God himself, supreme personality of Godhead, having so much opulence. And he is now your son. I'm playing in your ground. And he wants to go in your lap. He is crying bitterly. He is rolling down on the earth. Mother, I want to take your breast. And Yashoda Maiya told, I will not take you in my lap. You are very
Naughty.
and chanchal, restless. Just now I make you made your bath, and now you have taken so much dirty things here. So go there. I will not take it. And Krishna is weeping. And Yashoda is doing like this.
Chastising.
How lucky is Yashoda that he is chastising whom?
Supreme Personality.
Supreme Person. Brahma cannot take darshan. He fears, death fears, all fears Shankar. What to speak of Ganesh and Saraswati and Durga and Kali, Bhadra. So he is doing pranam to Yashoda Maiya. क्या वो वन्देऽहं
नन्द श्रुतिमा परे
श्रुतिमा परे स्थितिमितरे भारतमन्ये भजन्त भवभीता अहमानन्दं वन्दे जस्यालिन्दं परम ब्रह्म. Shrutima pare. Anyone wants to follow Shrutis. Shrutis mean faith. What? To do sacrifice, to be in trance, to give up air, water, and all things, to remember Aham Brahmasmi, Aham Brahmasmi. I don't like this. Smriti ritare, smriti, or to do archan and all these things. I have no interest. Shrutima pare. Bhajant bhava bhita. Also so many devotees, they worship Krishna, they meditate Krishna, they chant Krishna only for the liberation from suffering and sorrow and unlimited chain of birth and death. They should do like this. Amahanandam Bande. I am doing Vandana to Nanda Maharaj, in which courtyard Krishna playing in ground full of dust and all these things. He never goes anywhere playing there. So I am doing Vandana to Nanda Maharaj and Jashoda Maiya. Sometimes now they have become more young. Not younger, but
Older. Growing.
now they can run quickly here and there. Then gopis, every morning they used to come, all long day. All the gopis became in two groups. One became in the group of Krishna, and another, so many became in the group of Baldev. The group of Baldev gopis, they are clapping here. Oh, you are more stronger than Krishna. And the gopis, the side of Krishna, they are, oh, my Krishna son is so much stronger than, he can defeat Baldev. And they are telling that Baldev can defeat. Achha, let us be sweet. And then clap them and to wrestle. And they began to wrestle. Who is stronger? Who is weak and weak? They began to wrestle like this, like Pahalman. Saying like this. Sometimes quickly, Baldev Prabhu wanted to defeat, and Baldev Prabhu came down, and in a moment, in halfway to be down, and quickly Krishna did so good trick that Baldev Prabhu went like this. And when he came on the ground, he took Krishna and he defeated Krishna. And after some time, Krishna defeated. So like this. And gopis are telling, oh, my Krishna is so stronger than this. And giving them only a laddu, gur ka laddu. Gur, you know?
Molasses.
No, laddu them. In this way. Sometime, Arunimaya told, Krishna, can you bring the asan of Nanda Baba? Asan, you know?
Sit.
On the time of taking Mahaprasadam, in Indian style, they make any wooden
cushion.
asan.
Cushion.
Sitting place.
Sitting. So Krishna quickly went and began to take it, but he could not do. And kept it. Never could. Then again they told, can you bring the paduka of Nanda Baba, wooden sandal of Nanda Baba there? Oh, quickly he ran and took both on his head and quickly coming.
Dancing.
See, being Supreme Personality of Godhead. So much appulences. But he wanted to serve his devotees. There is so much difference in all epics and in Srimad Bhagavatam. Always Krishna in the mood of serving devotees. In all Ramayana, Mahabharata and all other epics, you can see that devotees are praying to Lord, Lord, Lord. But Jashoda never told him Lord. Kausalya may do like this. Vasudeva and Devaki, they can pray to Krishna. Oh, you are Lord of Lord. You are four-handed. You are our worshipable. You are our master. But Jashoda will not do. One day, Jashoda was taking Krishna in his lap and giving milk to her breast. And Krishna was a very little boy. He did like what?
Yawning.
At once he saw, oh, not only one Brahmand, but crores and crores, unlimited Brahmand were in his mouth. Mouth was so little and word so much bigger, but all Brahmands are there. Sun is there, moon is there, all are going on circle. And he saw lakhs and lakhs of Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, so many. But he saw Krishna alone. And she was seeing all these things, and she also saw that all the gods, demigods, and all his incarnation were praying to Krishna. No? See this, what I am seeing? What I am seeing? Any Maya? But any Maya?
Illusion.
How I am seeing? Am I dreaming? I am sleeping, or what? She took water and washed her mouth, and she quickly did like that, and again saw. But nothing is there. What happened? Any ghost? Any ghost? But we are serving here Narayan, how a ghost can come? But he never thought that he is Krishna, Supreme Personality of God, or Narayan, or anywhere. Like Devaki and Vasudeva. Like Arjun, you know Arjun. He saw that Vishwarup and he became frightened. Jashoda never thought. He quickly called Nanda Baba. Nanda Baba came, Upananda came, and then they have any discussion, and they called Gargacharya,
Sandilya,
Supreme, at that time Supreme Astrologer, and called them. We have also here some astrologers here, very good astrologer. So, he came, Sandilya Rishi, all came, and they asked them what to do. Oh, here is something. So you should try to give in charity at least 10,008 cows. With calves. And their milk in a day must be not less than 40 kilos. Very big horse. And their horns should be covered with gold, and their hoofs should be covered with silver. And so beautiful cow should be given. And bring a black cow. They brought. They took the cow dung of that cow and urine of that cow, mixed like paste, means cooked thorough, liquid, and they took the tail of that black cow and they mixed with his tails and began to smear by mantra. Narayanam lalate keshavam rakshet, Narayanam udare rakshet, like this 12 angs. And you will have to do sacrifice, fire sacrifice. Om Narayanaya Swaha, O Vishnave Swaha, O Nisinghaya Swaha, like this. Then he gave so much charity, gold and so much thing. Then now they told that everything has gone, unauspicious now he has become. Now you can give the best.
Yes.
So sweet past times were going. Now they became more restless. Now they can run. Now they have friends. Dam, Sridam, Sudam, Vasudam, Sto Krishna, Lavanga, Arjun, Ujjwal, Subal, Madhumangal best. More restless than Krishna. Always fond of sweet, Rasagulla. All they now are friends, and very in morning they used to play. Where to play? Today, Subal told, my mother is chiding, and she is absorbed in that. You can all come to my house, and my mother, I know where my mother has kept
butter.
Kept. Oh, very beautiful and sweet butters. Come on with me. But she was on the door doing. So no entrance. So quickly Subal, Krishna told that you should बछड़े को खोल दो.
Go at first and open.
Open the calf.
Open.
Bound.
No,
She was untying the rope of
Calf.
cow, so that he should go to his mother, and she used to take milk. Even now, then, cows were not milked. Now they were going to milk, and the meantime Subal untied the calf, and quickly that calf went to her mother, his mother, and began to take milk very happily. And Krishna told them, go at once to your mother and tell that, oh, calf is taking all milks. And when he went there and told her mother, mother, you are not seeing that calf is taking all milks. Oh, quickly she ran. Who did it? And when she went, and all boys entered their house, and they took all the butter here, there, sometimes breaking the pots, taking all these things, and they quickly, when they saw that their mother is coming, quickly running out. Now they became, their mothers used to complain to mother, you know, my Sakhi, that your boy is doing like this. What he is doing? Mother, my Sakhi, he went in my dark room, and I was like a guard there, hidden away. And when he entered, I told, I just
ready to catch.
I catch. Now, oh, mother, why you caught me? So why you came and you are stealing makhan and all these things? If you want, you can tell me, I will give so much. Oh, I have so much plenty of
Butter.
and everything.
I am not a poor man.
But I thought that this house is mine, and you are like my mother, so I was taking, otherwise not. And then she began to laugh, and quickly he ran out. One day, any gopi catch hold Krishna, red-handed. Oh, why you are doing so? What, mother, what I am doing? So why I am seeing so much butter here? Oh, I was searching my calf. He had jumped in this. Oh, your calf has jumped. Where he is? Then Krishna gave his hand, put his hand, and took out a marble calf. Oh. One day,
Toy calf.
Toy calf. They all began to laugh. In the meantime, he quickly ran out. Sometimes he keep his hand in the pot, and any gopi caught him red-handed. What are you doing? Mother, nothing. Nothing. Why this here
Hand is
Butter
butter hand?
and a spoon of
Oh, my hand was somewhat like burning sensation. Because my mother has given any jewel,
bangle.
bangle. And it is like burning sensation.